Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the perfect egg dish. First, crack 2 large eggs into a small bowl and add a pinch of salt. Do not whisk them yet. Next, place an 8-inch non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt completely, ensuring it coats the pan's surface evenly. This preparation is key for a smooth cooking process. Now, pour the unwhisked eggs into the warm, buttered pan. Let them sit undisturbed for about 15 seconds until the edges just begin to set. Using your rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Repeat this motion slowly, creating soft, creamy curds. This gentle technique prevents overcooking. The secret to a truly creamy texture is knowing when to stop cooking. Remove the pan from the heat when the eggs are still slightly wet and glossy. The residual heat will continue to cook them to perfection. For an extra touch of richness, stir in a half teaspoon of crème fraîche or a small pat of butter right before serving. This makes them incredibly luxurious and delicious. Finally, transfer your perfectly cooked, creamy eggs onto a warm plate or a slice of toasted bread. A sprinkle of fresh chives or a dash of freshly ground black pepper adds a lovely finish. This method ensures a consistently delicious and tender egg dish every time. Enjoy your culinary creation, knowing you've mastered the only way to make truly exceptional eggs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.